What's going on, everyone? Welcome to a quick tutorial on how to do my coloring page. If you guys have any questions, be sure to let me know, and we're just going to quickly run through how to do this. So if you guys go to my Twitter, and you go to the most recent post on my Twitter, which will have the line art for you guys to use. This one is meant for the anyone that wants to print it out and color it with the color pencil or crayons, and this one is meant for digital. So what we're gonna do is we're actually gonna do just digital for today because I don't have any crayons. But we're going to open this up, open a new tab so that it comes out in a new tab like this. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go create a new tab, and we're going to go get GIMP. So what GIMP is a manipulation software that is free. So GIMP.org, and it'll bring up this website right here. And then what you're going to do is you're going to hit download, and then you're going to come down here and hit download directly. Alright, now that it's done, we'll click on it. And it's going to bring up the installer. So you're going to install for all users. It's going to make sure that it's authorized as a program. So then you're going to hit whatever language you use. So I'm going to be using English. And then you're going to come down here at the very bottom and hit install. And you're going to let it install. It might take a little bit. Alright, now that this is complete, it will then, you just have to hit finish. And then it will be ready to go. So then all you have to do is come down here at the search bar. If you're running Windows, you search GIMP, G-I-M-P, and you hit enter. And this should bring up the GIMP window. So we're just going to let it run and set up things. And then depending on where it goes, it might go on a different part of your computer, but this is basically what GIMP looks like. It's a drawing program. So then what you're going to do is you're just going to File, and then New. So what we're going to do is we're going to do 3840, which is double of 1920, and we're going to do 2160, which is double of 1080, and then you're going to hit OK. So this is going to bring up a big canvas on your screen, and then what you're going to do is you're going to go back to Twitter, and you're going to go to the Twitter post that you put into a different tab, right-click it, save image as, and then save to a location that you'll know where it's at. And then you can go to the image location for the picture. You're gonna take this and you're gonna drag it over into the GIMP Studio, and it's gonna bring up the picture in the canvas like this. So then what you're gonna do, depending on what you plan on doing for the coloring page, if you would like to color it with a brush and you have like the ability to do that. So what you're going to do is you're going to come down here and create a new layer, and you don't have to change anything in here, so just hit OK. And then you're going to make sure that the layer that you created is below the line work, and then you can come up here and hit the paintbrush button, which is right up here, and click whatever color you would like, and you just double click that box and you can choose whatever color you like. So let's just do red, and then you can paint underneath the line work. Or if you don't want to do that and just be really quick, you can come to this paint bucket right here, right next to the paintbrush, and you can choose whatever color you want and just make sure you have two colors, and then you can just click in the boxes and fill it, and you should be good to go. You just have to click inside and fill it with the color that you want. So if you want to zoom in and get the details, you just come up here to this zoom tool, click on that, and drag a box in the location that you want to zoom in. And so basically if you wanted to do the paint bucket tool, it'll make the edges pretty rough, but that's totally fine. We're not going to be great, and you're not going to be graded at all. It's just to make sure that you can get it colored. So then what you're going to do is just going to put all the color in, and then if you wanted to put it in a different color, we'll just say let's go blue, and then you can put blue in the boxes. So then when you're done and ready to go, and the image is colored and you want to save it, you come up to File and you come up to Export. So then what you're going to do after you export, you're going to come down to select file type. You're going to scroll until you hit JPEG image, and you're going to click on that. and then hit export. And then you can, don't change anything in here, hit export again, and then it'll be exported. So then what you're going to do is you're going to go to Twitter, go to the post of the coloring page, which is right here, click on this little speech bubble, and then you can either copy and paste it into here through your files, or you can hit this, go to where you saved it, double click it, or you can also do this, highlight it, and then open, and it'll do that, and then add whatever you want to say in your tweet, pin me, and then hit tweet, and you should be good to go. If you guys have any questions, be sure to let me know, and I can help you along the way. And I hope you all have a wonderful rest of your night and day, and I hope you guys have fun, and good luck.